Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So here's your Walgreens preview for the week of September the 4th to the 10th. And this is going to be a really good week. Clearance merchandise has been popping like crazy over at Walgreens. It's been really fantastic. So we'll have to wait and see what else this week has. Now we also got this booster on Thursday morning, which is a 5-back when you spend 20. I know a lot of you got the 5-back when you spend 22. This stacks with a paper coupon, and it's really nice that they're giving us a low one. You don't have to spend like $300 to get your booster. So this is again valid from the 4th to the 10th. It is of a one-time use, and one paper and one digital. Yes, they do stack. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Use your debit card, credit card, or bills when you're at the till, and it should work out perfectly pour vous. Okay, as I was saying, there is so much clearance at 90% off, and this isn't just like, some old floaties and, summer fun in the sun stuff. This is like coupon meat and potato stuff. 29 cents for the Walgreens body wash, and then 79 cents for that toilet paper, which is Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand. I have an entire video dedicated to look at this. Watch it. I'll have it linked at the very end. And if you have time and your store didn't get marked down on Tuesday, typically with clearance, it's either Tuesdays or Saturdays. Bring one of these items to the till on Saturday, and maybe the cashier can scan it for you and let you know what the prices are. And if nothing's tagged, you might find a ton of stuff. Okay, so straight off the cuff, we're going to talk about the deals of the week. They're all producing a $5 store register reward when you buy 3 products. Now, if you want to do all these deals of the week, you must do them in separate transactions. We're looking at the $7 OLAY, and we have a 5-back when you spend 3 plus a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. We're going to use our best friend, which is this specific booster in this little dealio, just because it's going to be a $21 basket, so why not? Grabbing 3 of the OLAY body washes for $21, have your booster loaded along with that digital coupon. You're paying $16 with your debit card, getting back $5 register reward for buying 3, plus $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster. So the final price point for this magical basket is $6 for the 3 or $2 per OLAY. And typically the body wash and bar soap are in fact included. I know there's a lot of fans of bar soap. And let's remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Next deal of the week is on the Crest Toothpaste, producing the same $5 register reward. So for this one, we're going to throw 3 of these into a basket for $12 on the nose. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital coupon, you're paying 7 out of pocket. Getting back a $5 store register reward, making it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents each. It is okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're not using this in concert with a booster. So some cheap toothpaste, I like to get it for free, so I might not do this deal. But if they give us some high value Crest coupons, which they sometimes do on Sunday, this might be a deal to do. Okay, so this deal might be of some interest. If you look in the picture, and I hate to be the couponer who's like, if you look at the photo, but those Aussies, look how massive they are. I mean, if that big mama is included, this might be a really fantastic deal. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, so grabbing 3 of the Aussies for $18, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $15 out of pocket, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $10 for the 3 or $3.33 each. If it's the normal $10 bottle of Aussie, absolutely why not? And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down, and that register reward will print for you. Okay, so this potentially might be my favorite deal of the week. 2 for $11 for the Bounty. It says household products, and we're going to talk about that in a quick second, but I want to point out how this ad is written up. $6 reward when you buy 4, and I don't know the coupons right now, but let's throw our best friend, which is 5-back when you spend 20 in this deal if you wish to do it. Playing it really safe, let's grab 4 of the paper towels. I looked around my stockpile, guys. I don't really have any paper towels, so I need some. 4 for $22. I don't have any coupons. I have my 5-back when you spend 20 booster loaded. I'm going to pay that $22 with my debit card, get back a $6 register reward, and $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, making it $11 for the 4. $2.75 per 6-pack of Bounty. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as we're doing this with a booster. Now here's the wild card. If you've ever really looked around the soap aisle or the dish soap aisle, I guess I have to be specific, Dawn Power Wash is always 2 for $11 or part of this promotion. And we have this from the September P&G, which is a BOGO free on the Dawn products. So in theory, if this is part of it, if you grab 4 of them for the exact same math and use 2 BOGO free coupons with the $11 back, the $6 register reward, and the $5 of Walgreens cash, it's going to make 4 of the power washes completely for free. So we're going to have to double, triple check on Sunday. I will be all over this deal because Dawn Power Wash, yes, I'm all over that. You're going to need 2 of these insert coupons from the September P&G. So let's see if this deal actually comes together. Let's see. Okay, so now we're looking at the 7th generation products, specifically the dish soap. And if you've ever used this, there's a scent-free one, and it is quite glorious. And I think it's comparable to Dawn, but that's my humble opinion. So let's get really crazy for this deal. 4 of the 7th generation dish soaps for $9.96. Now, if you can add the tax in your state and use $10 in Walgreens cash, do it that way. You're going to get back 4 for buying 2. And this is a buy scenario. So yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. It makes it $5.96 for the 4 or $1.49 per dish soap. Remember, you can use Walgreens cash as this is a buy deal. And also, not all stores carry the 7th generation dish soap. It's found in bigger markets, just to note that. Okay, the Fabuloso, we're going to go through some really quickly. It's $2.49. On Sunday, we're going to get a 50-cent digital coupon, making this product $1.99. And if you know anything about TikTok home cleaning or that Clean Talk, this is what they're always using. This is the best. And we also have, in rapid speed, the BOGO free on the complete home. They're very comparable to Ziploc or Glad plastic bags for the Home Chef. If you buy 2 for $2.99, if you divide that in half it's a BOGO free promotion, it's like paying $1.49 for gallon bags. Yes. Let's touch on some quick honorable mentions. The first is this $5 Walgreens gift card when you buy 2. And typically when Domino's is part of it, it's usually a $15 gift card. So spend $30, get a nice little $5 gift card. If you think that's a good deal, let me know in the comments. I might have to try this. And we have our little deal here, $3.99 and then a $4 in-store reward when you buy 2. It's not Walgreens cash. I made that mistake in last week's video and a lot of people were very upset. This says toothpaste, and last week we were getting brushes, so will a high value coupon pop up on Sunday morning? I'm thinking yes, but another crystal ball, Dawn Power Wash sort of moment. We'll have to wait and see till Sunday, guys. And this is a month-long promotion of buy 2, get the 3rd for free on cosmetics, nail, makeup, and all this good stuff. And just to let you guys know too, if you're finding clearance, it also tracks for this, for the buy 2, get the 3rd for free. Lots of food, fall y'all stuff. We got candy corn and the different Reese's pumpkins for $1, kind of expensive in my book. 2 for $7 for the M&Ms. How yummy are all of these candies? And then 2 for $6 for the ice cream. 3 for $13.99 for the Coke products. That has jumped $4 in the last bit, quite a bit. BOGO free on the Kellogg cereal. Check Shopkick and IBOTTA for rebates. I would love to see something new for that, especially those jumbo snacks. And then finally, we have a BOGO free on those almonds, and then 2 for $7 for the Tostitos scoops, those good products. It is Labor Day, going to be celebrated on Monday the 5th. So I'm shocked we're not seeing more food deals, like free food, like really cheap or something like that, but not the case. Or really cheap chips, not seeing it in this ad. One thing that is noteworthy is that bacon 2 for $10. That is way cheaper than even like at Walmart or any grocery store around me. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.